Your home is your sanctuary, and keeping it safe should be a top priority. Whether you're looking to improve your home's curb appeal, increase energy efficiency, or enhance security, one of the most effective solutions is replacing your door. A new door can significantly upgrade your home's security, especially in places like Jacksonville Beach, where homes face the combined elements of coastal weather and a high demand for secure properties. Here's how a new door replacement can make a difference in enhancing your home's security. Stronger materials for enhanced protection. One of the main reasons to replace an old door is the materials used in the new model. Modern doors are designed with stronger materials that are more resistant to break-ins. Traditional wooden doors can weaken over time, making it easier for burglars to break in. On the other hand, newer doors made from steel or fiberglass are not only durable but also resistant to forceful entry. A solid steel door, for instance, can withstand high impact blows, making it far more difficult for an intruder to gain access. Additionally, newer doors come with advanced locking mechanisms, offering superior protection against unauthorized entry. Multi-point locking systems, deadbolts, and reinforced hinges are all available to ensure the safety of your home. This level of security is especially crucial in Jacksonville Beach, where homes may be exposed to a higher risk of break-ins due to the close-knit nature of beach communities and high tourism traffic. Impact of weather on door security. Living in Jacksonville Beach means your door faces more than just security risks. It must also endure the salty air, humidity, and occasional storms. Over time, these elements can deteriorate doors, making them weak points in your home's defenses. A wooden door, for example, can warp or rot when exposed to moisture, which compromises its ability to provide adequate security. By opting for a door replacement, you can select materials designed specifically to withstand coastal weather. Fiberglass and steel doors are perfect for resisting the harsh elements of beach life, as they are moisture resistant and can stand up to the salty air that would otherwise corrode wooden doors. Replacing an old, worn-out door will ensure that your home is not only more secure but also better equipped to handle Jacksonville Beach's unique environmental challenges. Improved aesthetic appeal and value. A door is one of the first things visitors see when they approach your home. An old, outdated door can make your home appear neglected, while a modern, high-quality door can boost your property's curb appeal and value. Many homeowners don't realize that curb appeal is closely tied to security. A well-maintained home with an upgraded door sends the message that the homeowner cares about their property and is serious about keeping it secure. Beyond just aesthetics, a new door can help you personalize your home. Whether you prefer a sleek, contemporary design or something more traditional, the variety of styles and finishes available means you can choose the perfect door to complement your home's architecture. Moreover, this upgrade adds value to your property, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. Energy efficiency and saving. Security isn't only about preventing break-ins, it also extends to protecting your home from energy loss. Old, inefficient doors can lead to drafts, making your heating and cooling systems work harder. This increases your energy bills and reduces the overall comfort of your home. A new, energy-efficient door can seal off your home more effectively, keeping warm air inside during the winter and cool air during the summer. Look for doors with a high energy efficiency rating, such as those with insulated cores or Energy Star certification. In Jacksonville Beach, where the weather can range from hot summers to mild winters, maintaining your home's temperature is essential, and a new door can help you achieve this while saving money on energy costs. Peace of mind. At the end of the day, the most important benefit of a door replacement is the peace of mind it offers. Knowing that your home is better secured against break-ins, weather damage, and energy loss can give you confidence that your family and belongings are well protected. Whether you're investing in a front door, a patio door, or a back door replacement, you can rest assured that the enhanced security, durability, and aesthetic value will be worth the investment. With so many options available, it's easy to find the perfect door to complement your home and lifestyle in Jacksonville Beach. Conclusion: upgrading your door in Jacksonville Beach is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's an investment in the safety, security, and energy efficiency of your home. From stronger materials to better weather resistance, a new door provides lasting benefits. Don't wait for your old door to fail. Enhance your home's security with a new, high-quality replacement door today.